very happy to be here. A lot of known faces, a few not so familiar faces, but I'm sure I'm going to get to know all of you in this year because this is going to be our division. Meraki is going to be part of Division E. My honor to be in this meeting today. I always thought 7:30 was the first time a meeting happens in Toastmasters until I got to know that Meraki meets at 7 a.m. and that too on a Saturday. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Thank you, Gopi, for inviting me. Can we start?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. To start with, may I request the outgoing officers to please stand up for a second. Thank you. At this time, you are discharged from all your duties and responsibilities. Thank you for your excellent service to this club. Can we give a round of applause to them, please? This is Easwaram from Walkie Talkie Nanganallur, part of Division E, current Division Director and past Area Director. In fact, E3, which I was taking care, was one of the 3 areas which attained President Distinguished status. Something that I wanted to share because we had a lot of challenges in Division E last year. We were able to sail through and be where we are today. I'm sure with your support we can even scale further. Now on that note, I'm here to install the new officers of Meraki, briefly state their key responsibilities and to remind them of the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club one of the best in Toastmasters International. This will involve helping the members achieve their goals as well as leading the club to President's Distinguished Club status in this year. Will the new officer team please come forward and form a line beginning with the Sergeant at Arms and ending with the President.
Yes.
Each officer is obligated to attend monthly club executive committee meetings, attend club officer training held twice a year, prepare a successor for his or respective officers. I'll now describe the challenges and key responsibilities for each officer, beginning with the Sergeant at Arms. Distinguished Toastmaster Kartik Mohandas, as Sergeant at Arms, you will arrange the meeting location, maintain club equipment in working order, ensure that adequate club supplies are available, set up the room before the meeting begins, make all relevant educational and PR materials are displayed, attend to special equipment needs, greet guests, help the President make sure the meeting begins on time. Distinguished Toastmaster Kartik Mohandas, as Sergeant at Arms, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Could you please pass on the gavel to Distinguished Toastmaster Satish Kumar. Distinguished Toastmaster Satish Kumar, as Treasurer, you will keep financial records and prepare the club budget, announce when it is time for members to pay dues, explain the due structure to members, collect dues, work with the Secretary to ensure that the club submits dues promptly on time to Toastmasters International World Headquarters. Distinguished Toastmaster Satish Kumar, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability as Treasurer?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Could you please pass on the gavel to Distinguished Toastmaster Subhadeep Panik. Distinguished Toastmaster Subhadeep Panik, as Secretary, you will maintain an accurate membership roster and attendance, submit the new club officer list to Toastmasters International, work with the Treasurer to ensure that the new member applications and dues get to Toastmasters International World Headquarters as soon as possible, work with the Treasurer to submit your club's renewal dues to Toastmasters International on time, and provide the club with minutes of each meeting. As Secretary, Distinguished Toastmaster Subhadeep Panik, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you so much. Could you please pass it to Toastmaster Ashok Kumar. Toastmaster Ashok Kumar, as Vice President of Public Relations, you will attract visitors to the club through free publicity, use a variety of means to promote the club in the community. Enlist your fellow club members in PR activities, providing them with promotional materials and ideas for inviting guests. Regularly recognize members' achievements with methods such as announcements, newsletters, emails, and articles that you submit for the newsletter. Toastmaster Ashok Kumar, as Vice President of Public Relations, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Could you please pass it to Distinguished Toastmaster Vijay Lakshmi? Distinguished Toastmaster Vijay Lakshmi, as Vice President of Membership, you will lead the club membership building efforts to achieve the membership goal of 8 new members. While the VPPR motivates people to visit your club, you will motivate the current members to invite guests. Promptly give new member applications and dues to the secretary and treasurer. Personally greet guests and provide them with guest packets, including a membership application. Make sure each guest hears about the benefits of Toastmasters and gets a personal invitation to become a member. Represent your club at area council meetings. Distinguished Toastmaster Vijay Lakshmi, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Please pass it to Toastmaster Chalakannan. Toastmaster Chalakannan, as Vice President Education, you will gain commitments from members to set educational goals for themselves. Assure that club members are aware of the schedule of meeting roles. Plan meetings that will assist members in meeting their goals. Work with club members to keep meetings fun and well run. Work with your members to ensure that they submit their applications for educational awards promptly. Provide for educational topics at club meetings such as those from the Successful Club Series and Better Speaker Series. Represent your club at area council meetings. As the second highest ranking officer, preside over the meeting when the president is absent. Toastmaster Chalakannan, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Could you please pass the gavel to the President, Toastmaster Gopinath? Toastmaster Gopinath, as President of Meraki, you are the Chief Executive Officer. Thus, you will preside at all club meetings and all meetings of the Club Executive Committee. It is a challenge to see that this club adds new members and meets the needs of the current members to achieve their communication and leadership goals. Establish a club climate that is supportive, stimulating, and rewarding to its members. Realize that among the resources available to you are fellow club members, club officer team, club officers handbook, area director, division director, the D120 website, and all other district officers. Toastmaster Gopinath, you hold the gavel as a symbol of the power and authority that your club has given you during your term of office. I am confident that you will use it wisely and with restraint. Toastmaster Gopinath, as a member of Club Meraki as well as its leader, will you work with your executive team and club members to make Meraki a President's Distinguished Club this year?
Yes, I will.
Meraki members, could you please stand up? Yeah, all the members of Meraki.
Doesn't matter, sir.
Yeah. Your officer team has just pledged to serve this club to the best of its ability. To be the best Toastmasters club possible and to meet the needs of all the members, your club will need active participation from each member. Do you, as members, pledge to work together with your officer team to make Meraki the finest Toastmasters club it can possibly be?
Yes.
Thank you. Please take your seat. By the authority vested to me as your division director, it's my sincere pleasure to declare these Toastmasters officers installed in their respective club offices. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to the club Meraki, the club executive team for the term July to December 2023. Let's give a round of applause. I now request the incoming president, Toastmaster Gopinath, to give a speech. Thank you.